In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unpublish a product on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the product section from the left sidebar. Here you will see all the products available in your store. Now select the product you want to unpublish and click on it to open the product editor. After opening the product settings, look at the top right corner of the page where you will find the Publish button. If the product is already live, click the small arrow or menu next to the Publish option. From the drop-down menu, select Unpublish. Gumroad may ask you to confirm the action, so simply click Confirm or Yes to continue. Once completed, the product will no longer be visible to new customers and nobody will be able to purchase it anymore. However, existing customers who already bought the product will still keep access to their files and downloads. Also, keep in mind that unpublishing a product does not delete it permanently. You can still edit the product, update files, and republish it anytime later if you want to make it live again. After unpublishing, the product status inside your dashboard will usually appear as draft or unpublished depending on the current Gumroad interface. And that's how to unpublish a product on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.